if one of these Gibson strings don't work, another one will. Because all these jets are different sizes depending how big your carb is. Remember, a stock 50cc moped has a 14 millimeter carb. That's 33 millimeters, so the jets are huge on it. A lot bigger than normal. Now I've taken my steel and gone through here. And you want to double check and hold it up to the light. And you can barely see it's... shit. Just a second. Damn it. I had that open. I don't know, something clogged it. Alright, come on, where is this thing? So you take your stuff right there and you stick it right in like this. It's hard for me to do this because I can't not see the camera angle. But there is a piece of crap in there that is, and you can see it's gone all the way through now. Let's see how that's going to look up here. And you don't have to get it 100% perfect, because even if you can get it a little bit, the gas will go in there and fix it. Well, I got to do a little bit more work on that, but if you can hold it up like this and see the light through it, then you know it's clean. It'll look like this one. And all it takes is just a little piece of crap in there. And what happens when you get a main jet like this that's clogged because your bike has been sitting over the summer, over winter, is your idle jet will work fine. Your bike will start and idle. The minute you give it gas, it'll go blop and stop, because this jet is clogged. And you can see the light in there. It's not clogged. All right.